Hello guys, Divi just released a tool called Divi Dash and I cannot stop talking about it. It's a fantastic tool that I believe anyone can use. If you want to get Divi, just click on the link in my description and you're going to get Divi free trial for the next 30 days. So what is Divi Dash? It says here that Divi Dash is a single dashboard for managing updates, themes, plugins, and clients across all your sites. Now, this is not just for Divi, but it's also for other sites that you might have. And you can see the interface, very beautiful. Now, this has saved me a lot. It saved me a lot of time and a lot of money. How? I'm going to tell you. So basically, if you want to get access to Divi Dash, what you will do is click on the link in my description and you're going to get access to Divi Dash once you get Divi. So it's available for free for Divi users. So if you log in to your Divi dashboard, okay, after you've purchased your Divi, of course, then go to Dash. All right. If you click on Dash, it's going to take you to that dashboard. So this is the way it looks like at the moment. So far I have added 20 websites, and as you can see here, it says Divi sites. Out of the 20 websites that I've added here, 14 sites were built with Divi. All right, and as you can see here, at a glance you will see the websites that need updates. So it says here sites with updates 4. Okay, so we have here where you can have all the websites. This is where we currently are, and if you scroll down, you'll see all the. So, and we have the first one here says website. So you see all the website that you have, and it's going to be listed there. And here updates. Of course, you can see the update here, but if you also click here, you are going to see the updates. So let's click on it and see. So you can see here that I have websites, 17 websites update on 4 sites. So 4 sites need about 17 updates, and here we have 5 plugin updates. I have 12 themes updates on 4 sites. All right, and if you scroll up, I'm gonna see all the sites that need updates. So here you can see I have 8 updates on this website. If I click on here, I'm going to see the updates that I need to make. So for example, here you will see that this website, Busy Broom Cleaning Services, need update for 2024, 2023, and 2022. Okay, and at the moment it's not yet updated. So here I don't even need all of this website. So here I don't even need all of these themes. So I can, for example, just check the ones I don't need, 2022, 2023. I can just, delete them. Okay, so and to do that, let me see what I can do. So here it tells me to select, update those ones. Okay, but what I want to do is actually to delete them. So I'll come here and click on delete. So it seems like I cannot delete everything at once, except maybe I go to the themes. All right, here if I go to the themes, I can select the themes that I want to delete. So let's check themes and see what has happened there. So as you can see here, we have 45 themes on 20 sites. So here Divi 2024. So as you can see here, it says 12 sites. So if I click on here, all right, so it says delete inactive instances, update all. So I can come here. All of this website have 2024 themes installed as well. So I can leave this one, but the ones that I want to delete are the 2021, 2023. So if I come here, all right, I can see that 2021 is on all of this website. Okay, so I can just click on delete inactive instances. So here it's going to delete all the 2021 websites. I mean, it's going to delete all the 2021 themes on all of the websites that were listed there. All right. And if I come here, 2022, okay, it's also on this website, these 2 websites. So I can just click on delete inactive instances. Okay, so here it has deleted all of them. So now let's say I come to, let's go back to themes. Let's go back to plugins. So under plugins as well, you can see Divi Dash. It has 20 websites. Like I told you earlier, I have added just 20 websites to this Divi Dash. And if I click on here, I can see all the websites that I've added Divi Dash to that are active. So if I scroll down, I will also see other websites that have all of the things that I want. Now, if you come here, you will see that this one says update available classic editor. And if you look at here, okay, it says which of the website is it that's supposed to be updated. This particular website, Busy Broom, and so it's not yet updated. I can just click on update all, or I can come here and say update this plugin, and it says, are you sure you want to update classic editor on this website? So I'll click on update plugin. Now everything has been updated and there's no further information. Normally, if you want to update any of this website, you have to go to the website, log into each of them and start updating. But with this, it makes your life easier. Like, it saves you a lot of time. Now, this is a powerful feature I want to show you. So let's go to one of the websites. So let's say Busy Broom, for example. All right. So let's click on it. All right. So under this website, you will see everything that is on the website. Okay. So we have the themes here, and we have the plugins and everything. You'll see the things that need updating and the things that are not updated. Okay. One very amazing feature that I want to show you is this. It's what we call the WordPress dashboard. Now, normally, if you want to log into any website, you need to type in the password and passcode and everything before you can log in. But once you've added your website to Divi Dash, you can log into your website easily. So by clicking on this WordPress dashboard, okay, so I'll click on it and just look at the magic that is going to happen. Wow, can you see? So it's brought us to this website directly, so that you don't need to start typing in your password. You can easily log into your website this way. All right, so let's say you want to add Divi Dash to your website. All you need to do is come to Dash. If you are seeing it for the first time, you will see where to download Dash plugin. So what you need to do is just add the Dash plugin to your website, and then from there you can add your site. So for example, let's say I have downloaded it. So what you need to do is go to your site and then go to plugins, and then click on add new, and then click on upload, and you can then upload your Divi Dash plugin. For myself, I have already uploaded it, so I'll go to install plugins. So here you can see we have Divi Dash here. All right, and once you have Divi Dash here, what you want to do is now go to settings, and you will see Divi Dash in the settings. So click on the Divi Dash, and here you can see here it says disconnect this site. So if I disconnect this site now, it will be disconnected from Divi Dash. But in your case, if you are seeing it for the first time, you will see connect this site. So once you connect the site, then you'll be able to log into your site from Divi Dash directly. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know, what do you think about Divi Dash? Have you used it before? This is really going to save a lot of time. For me, it has saved a lot of time. It has saved me money. I don't need to buy plugins that will help me to update my website or to log into my website from one place. Okay, Divi Dash is giving me the opportunity to be able to do that. So let me know what you think about this too, and drop a comment in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get more videos like this.